Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into what we do as fractional analysts and why working with us can be a game changer for your real estate investments. We're going to break down the benefits of using a professional analyst for your next project and show you how we can meet you exactly where you're at, whether you need short-term insights or a long-term partnership. First, let's cover the basics. As fractional analysts, we're here to provide professional, on-demand analysis for your real estate projects. So, what exactly do we do? Well, our role spans a lot of areas that can help you make better informed investment decisions and keep all key stakeholders, like investors and lenders, in the loop. Let's break it down. First up, we handle detailed reporting. We'll work with you to prepare comprehensive reports for your investors or lenders, making sure they have a clear, data-backed view of the property's performance, financial health, and growth potential. This transparency helps keep relationships strong and investors confident. Whether it's assessing a new opportunity or managing an existing asset, we dive deep into deal analysis. On the front end, we evaluate the property's financials, market potential, and projected returns. During asset management, we keep a close eye on performance to ensure it aligns with your goals. We create custom cash flow models that take into account everything from operational expenses to market trends so you can accurately project returns. This forecasting is especially useful when weighing different investment scenarios or planning for property improvements. Our team conducts market research and comparative analysis to give you context on how your property stacks up against similar assets. This data helps you stay competitive and positions you to make strategic decisions on pricing, renovations, or other property enhancements. Every investment carries risk, and part of our job is to help you understand and manage those risks. We analyze factors like market volatility, tenant stability, and interest rate fluctuations, then work with you to develop strategies to minimize exposure. For properties that could benefit from added value, we can identify potential improvements like renovations or amenity additions that would boost the property's appeal and profitability. These recommendations align with your overall investment strategy to help maximize ROI. So, as fractional analysts, we cover a wide range of services, from financial modeling to market analysis and strategic recommendations, all customized to meet your investment goals. Whether you need us for a quick deal review, investor reporting, or a long-term partnership, we're here to provide insights that support your success. And in real estate, where every detail impacts your ROI, having a professional analysis tailored to your needs can make all the difference. So why not just run the numbers yourself? That's a fair question, but here's where we come in. With our experience and expertise, we bring a few key advantages that go beyond what a DIY approach can often offer. We've spent years analyzing deals, building investment models, and understanding the nuances of several markets. This experience means we can quickly spot red flags, hidden risks, or potential opportunities that otherwise might go unnoticed. We also have access to premium tools, data sources, and software that allow us to dive deeper into cash flow projections, asset valuations, and market trends. Our insights are backed by both our experience and reliable hard data. And here's the best part. We tailor our analysis to your specific goals. Whether you need insights for short-term gains, long-term stability, or something else entirely, we work within your framework and adapt our strategies to align with your unique goals. Let's talk about maximizing returns. By partnering with us, you get insights that help increase ROI and minimize risk. We're here to help you identify value-add opportunities, avoid over-leveraged projects, and take advantage of tax benefits where available. For example, if you're considering a multifamily property, we'd help you evaluate rental income potential, analyze operating expenses, or find undervalued properties with high potential. We might even identify renovation areas where a strategic investment could significantly boost property value. And here's what makes us different. We meet you where you're at. Need a quick review of a single property? We're here for a short-term consultation. Want ongoing support for your portfolio as you scale? We're available for longer-term engagements too. Our versatility means we can work as an ongoing partner or provide targeted insights when you need them most. This flexibility helps us adapt to your changing goals, ensuring you have the right analysis at every stage of your investing journey. Now let's address the cost. You might be wondering if hiring a fractional analyst is worth it. Here's how we see it. Our fee is a fraction of what you might save by avoiding a risky investment. For a few hours of consulting, we can provide insights that might save you tens of thousands of dollars over the course of an investment. Think of it as a way to protect and enhance your investment. By investing in expert analysis, you're not only mitigating risk, but also positioning yourself to make the most profitable choices possible. In the end, real estate investing is all about making informed, confident decisions. And that's exactly what we're here to help you do. With our flexible approach, whether short term, long term, or somewhere in between, we provide the insights and analysis you need to optimize returns, avoid pitfalls, and build a profitable portfolio. So if you're serious about scaling your real estate investments and curious what a fractional analyst could do for you, get in touch with us today. If you found this video helpful and you'd like to support the channel, we'd love if you would like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all the stuff. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. This is my intro. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into what we do as fractional analysts. I can't have a voice crack in there.